This is actually Lego Movie Part 2.
What's that?
We'll have 3 parts of this movie, and it will be on August Click Notes channel. Action! Dun 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 dun. Here at work. What the heck just happened? What's happening to all of us inside?
I don't.
All falling down. Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh. Stop. We're gonna fall somewhere.
Daniel Box. This is a Daniel Box.
We survived. Whew. Did Squidman? Yeah, I'm right here. We were expecting an even bigger crash, but we didn't go over the pavement over there.
Daniel Box.
If this place gets all fixed up, we might do it. And the tornado comes again, we might get thrown on the pavement. And that's the bad part. Why is it the bad part? It's the bad part because we're all going. It's the bad part because we'll all die.
Hey, this is popcorn.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Popcorn.
Shut up, you.
This is
Shut up,
popcorn. This is popcorn.
Morgan. The wreck is ginormous. I can't believe how much was damaged in the making of this video. Wait, this is the video? Said Squidman. Yes, said the cop. This is a broadcasted live video. Well, not live, but broadcasted. Hey, we fixed the place. You're right. But what about my wife's car? Hey, we can fix it. How? We got no pieces. Use the old pieces. Good. Fixed it. We fix this also. And this. What about the police? I'll just stay in my car for the rest of this video. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, we're going on the pavement. Oh, we're going on the pavement and dun 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 dun. Shoo. Indiana. Here in Lego City today, a big wreck just happened. We're still digging out pieces everywhere. The Lego City wreck was a skyscraper. Well, not necessarily a skyscraper, like a big one, but a 2-story building. A 2-story building has plenty of people. Or had plenty of people in it. The people aren't dead. Oh my god, there's a plane in the sky and another. Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh man.
Oh man.
The big wreck just happened momentarily about a minute ago.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Hip, hip.
Is